Hello, everyone. My name is Mama Bunny, and I'm so happy to see you here back at the burrow. And to all of our new friends, hello. It's so nice to meet you. How was your day? I hope it went well. And now that you're here, my day's gotten even better. Well, since it's summertime, I thought it would be really fun if we could read a story together about ice cream. And this one sounds like oodles of fun. But we can't have a story unless we're all comfy cozy. So make sure you're wearing something comfy. And don't forget to bring your favorite stuffy. I think they're gonna want to hear the story too, don't you? Well then, are we all comfy? Let's get started, shall we? Tonight's story is Clifford, the Big Red Dog, and the Wild Ice Cream Machine. Clifford cools in the water on a hot summer day, while Emily and Charlie race down the dock to play a game of hockey, using brooms as sticks. With a trash lid puck, Clifford catches double quick. Here comes Cleo, and here comes T. Nice catch, Clifford. Good job. Yippee! Now send it back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Clifford shoots the lid as Charlie's dad joins the scene.
Great shot, Clifford. You have quite a team. But it's time for me to go to the doctor today.
Then Charlie starts to beg.
Oh, please, let us stay. I guess that would be fine, but keep an eye on the store, and if you need some help, ask Miss Kit next door.
A little while later, Charlie walks to the machine.
Emily, I can work the lever and get us some ice cream.
Are you sure it's okay? Asks Emily. We're all alone.
Of course,
answers Charlie as he makes her a cone. A tourist sees the cone. I'd like one of those, but Emily shakes her head. Sorry, but we're closed. And then Charlie steps in.
I think it would be fine if I made you a cone. I help Dad all the time.
Emily is worried as the ice cream flows, but the man takes the cone and pays as he goes.
Whoa!
yells Charlie.
Look what's heading our way. A big group of tourists. We'll need some help today.
Cleo serves the cones from a tray on her head. T-Bone takes the money and the tourists are fed. Clifford flaps his ears like a giant fan at work. Everyone is happy till the machine goes berserk. Charlie, turn it off, cries Emily. Yuck!
I can't.
Charlie cries.
The lever is stuck.
Emily gets some cones, empty ones in a tray. But they fill up so fast, she must give them away. Nearby stands Cleo, with ice cream to her knees. Emily hands her the tray. Quick, get rid of these. But the tourists are gone and not to be seen. So Charlie opens his mouth and eats the ice cream. We can't eat it all, Emily says with a frown, but Cleo wags her tail and starts to slurp it down. T-Bone trots in and slips on his feet.
What's going on, Cleo?
Don't ask, T-Bone, eat. Emily shouts, Charlie, ask Miss Kit for help. But he yells back,
No, I can handle it myself.
Clifford slips and slides into the snowy scene, but he can't fix the lever or stop the ice cream. Cleo and T-Bone slide to and fro. They romp and laugh in the ice cream snow. Cleo plops down on the trash can lid. With help from Clifford, she happily skids across the snowy dock on the ice cream slide. Then T-Bone jumps and shouts,
It's my turn for a ride.
Then Emily says, We have to fix it now. But Charlie shakes his head.
I wish I knew how. I know how to stop it.
His dad appears with a frown.
Now watch me lift it up before I push it down.
And finally, oh finally, with one last drop, the ice cream machine gurgles to a stop.
Charlie, if you needed help, you should have asked Miss Kit. Sorry, Dad. I really thought that I could handle it. You've learned a lesson, a good one for today. Now get to work and clean this ice cream mess away.
I'll never eat a cone again, says Emily with a sigh.
Me neither,
answers Charlie.
If I look at one, I'll cry.
Me neither, add Cleo and T-Bone from the floor. Not me, said Clifford. I hope they spill some more. Soon, the dock is clean, except for one last glop. But Clifford slurps it up like a big red mop. The end. Oh, wasn't that just exciting? I was worried they wouldn't have the ice cream machine fixed. It's a good thing Charlie's father came when he did. Who knows how much more ice cream could have been made? Well then, little ones, it's getting late and we should go to sleep. So, get all snuggled up underneath your blanket. Hold your favorite stuffy tight, 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 so they know they are loved. Oh, and dream some wonderful dreams. And while you're having those wonderful dreams, I'll find us a story for next time. How does that sound? And always remember, Mama Bunny loves you very, very much. Good night.